Time really sneaks up on you, huh? 2 years already.
Alright, you guys. There is Monkey D. Luffy from P.O.P. figure. Get started by looking at this box. Check that out right there. You can see the logo, even his name, Monkey D. Luffy, in I think Championship or Japan wording, Ver.2, all that right there. You can read that and you want to pause the video. And there's another one again right there, that circle. All I see is P.O.P. Then there's the One Piece logo, and there's the brand and make this came true for the One Piece. You can basically see there's Luffy figure right there. You guys see inside the box, same pose. And check from the side, you guys see him this time smiling with instead of holding his hand, he got his fist going up. I like how they did the detail on the box. That's very good. I like the ocean that they did in the background, and the cutout of the paper map. You can see it from over here in the background behind the Luffy and the name. And you can also see the P.O.P. the company made this, Monkey D. Luffy. From the back side, you could actually see a good picture. This time the background saw what, and now we're back again. All this is like a paper on it, basically laying on the wall on a table, and you can see it say Monkey D. Luffy and more poses with him when he's serious on his back side, when he's serious holding his fist up, and when he's smiling when he's holding his hat up. And you want to check this one out, you can pause the video and you want to check it. I believe right here you could go to the website and get this figure. I believe, I'm not sure. I never tried it. I think especially this one too. You guys can go try it out, and it is. Keep a comment down below, and maybe I might go on that website. For now, I'm not gonna do it. And let's check to the other side. This time he have his hat on and smiling again. Basically same thing like the other side. Only big difference is his fist and his hat. And now we got the top side, more ocean. I like the fading they going on the figure to the ocean. And Monkey D. Luffy once again. Dig it. And from the bottom is mostly wood. You see Monkey D. Luffy right there. It's actually the floor this time. That's pretty cool. Actually, not many boxes could actually do this. They sometimes they even leave a white or another picture under, but this time they put it like it was a floor, a wooden floor. All right, let's get this bad boy out of this box. You guys, there he is out of the box. That's awesome. I can see very well detailed, and I definitely do love the box. Well, not basically the box, but it is made of cardboard. This right here, on this red you see, it is made of cardboard, but it is a good how you say, a good background instead of the white wall you see right here. You get to have Luffy in the background. Let's see, let me move a little bit for Luffy. You can see there is Luffy, everything is red, even himself is all red. Even you can see on the bottom it still say the P.O.P company and the Monkey D. Luffy, and more Japanese where you can hardly see it. And I definitely do love the ocean. Instead of blue, it's red, and like I said before, everything looks fine, especially when you put Luffy in the front. You can see right down on the plate, you got to see Monkey D. Luffy in blue this time, but now you get to see Luffy and the background Luffy. It look awesome. I say it's awesome. It look cool. I like it. Very good. Now continue with Monkey D. Luffy. Alright, you can basically see where Luffy is. I love how you hold in his hand. The only problem at this level, you cannot remove the hat off his hand unless you wanna, you know, how you say, custom make it by taking it off. You know, I'm not willing to do that. I feel like I will break it. And I definitely did give it a try to put on his head. I meant to say, put his hat on his head. It didn't work out because it doesn't fit on him. So it had to make do. But you can barely see the front face. See his face is not how you say it, more detailed. You know, his face it's not, you know, you seen the anime. The face ain't that much detail unless they put it on shadow. Like it's going on with the lighting of the shadow right here. You can barely see Luffy's eyes, his eyebrow, and his scar he have on his how you say, his left side of the face. And small nose, you know, there it is. And I think they did more detail on the mouth because you can see the black linings going on his teeth. See that? There is Luffy's scar where he got the white beard war from, I think, Akinu, the lava guy. That's where he got that. Teams. So further from the bottom, you can see the little detail they have there. I'm going to make it go around. They look more like feather shape than cotton. Yeah, but it's very good. I can still see more detail on this jeans. You can barely see this one line, like it's actually the jeans. He got no back pockets. Oh no, wait, it's right there. You can barely see it. He does have back pockets, so I think that's cool. Never noticed that in the anime, but you know, it's right here in the figure. He does have back pocket. You see more lining on the middle right there. Yeah, right there going down. You can basically see that he also have front pockets too. That's cool. Awesome. And like every jeans have, they always have this where the zippers go. Yeah, definitely have that. And I definitely love how crunching up, that's what you see going on right here. I like it. Very good detail. You can see how it's faded white to black with the shadow going on. You see what I mean? See that? I definitely do love the lighting going on this figure. And you can barely see his damn it. I keep counting the scars because I think that's I've been doing to the rest of the other videos too. I had to really find out my reason with this car. God damn it. They wear around the waist. It does go all the way around here, all the way to his back. Move this plate out of the way. Nope. Even to do good detail from the bottom, you can see that. Right there, you got the shadow, even to add more. I still love the lighting, how they do these shadows, you see that? You dig the detail they have on the fingers. See that? You definitely do like to have the detail with they added this black paint to make it look like you could put the buttons in. Too bad I can't do it, you know, with the figure, but you know, it's everything made of plastic, nothing with this with cotton. And it did good detail with his other hand too. I love that. There it is right there. You see that detail? And I love the detail they did with how you say, with the straw hat, like it's like the actual straw hat. Some people actually have trouble making their own straw hat for some reason. But guess what? Go to how you say, Family Dollar Tree. They actually do sell the same looking hat and the same detail, but they don't come in this red ribbon right here, right in the middle. They don't come with that, but you could actually go to Dollar Tree and get it yourself.
You think you'll surpass us? In that case, I'll leave this hat to you. It means more to me than anything in the world, so you better take good care of it. You hear me? I want you to bring this hat back to me someday, in good condition. And only once you've become a great pirate. That's our promise, Luffy.
Definitely do like the detail they have on this. Even from the inside, you see that? I love it how they have this great detail on this hat. But too bad it's plastic, not real. You can see a little bit of it. Mostly you see that going up and down right here, and the shoulder right here, and you can pretty much see they leave a little bit more space where you could actually see where his arm is popping out. They did with Luffy t-shirt, even from his other side of his arm too. And they actually put gold buttons. And I believe in the anime version it's plain yellow, but in the figure version it's plain gold buttons. You know what I'm talking about, even from the back. Look at that detail going in the back. I love it. How it's all crumbled. Sure it's crumbling. Oh man, that's nice. I like how it's moving with the wind on the hair. They did a very, 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 very awesome hair. Kind of remind me of, you know, similar to Goku hair, but you know, Luffy had more pointier hair, some would say. That's stuffed hair. And for you guys, you're one of the younger viewers, be careful, because they definitely are pointy for the fingers, and be careful with your eyeball too. It might poke your eyes out, so be careful with that. You can basically see from the pan, you can see his knee calves. I mean, not his calves, his knee right there. Very good detail with the muscles. And you see what I'm seeing, because you could actually see the skin is mostly, how you say, it's with the shadowing, you can actually see the skin is darker, and with the lighting, the skin is brighter. Not because of the light, it's because it's already on the skin. I don't know, you can tell that from the camera. And you can pretty much see Luffy, how you say, Luffy sandals on both sides of his feet and bottom. You can actually see 4 holes just to put on the plate. And that is very good detail they have on this one. You can see all these linings. That's a slipper. I wonder what the slipper is actually made of. It's actually made of slippers, or is this slipper is made of the same material as his straw hat?
Come!
It is. You would pretty much take off Luffy's arm off. And this time I did it broken like my last video too. So you pretty much replace it and put Luffy's other arm on where he's doing fists. Like, yeah, I'm showing off like how strong he is. Hell yeah, Luffy. Of course you're fucking strong, man. I am, right. Right here and talk about the plate. You can pretty much see the plate is all blue. You can you can actually see it see-through, and you can actually see more words up here. So I'll print it this time, not like these ones. You see what I mean? It's like 3D effects. It's like, say, P.O.P. and that going on. Monkey D. Luffy name is on there, and it's like Straw Hat Crew. And I just did the surrounding area is like all red from the back. What the heck? Like that is mostly like it's like a heather gray. Can you see my finger? Yeah, you can see my finger a little bit. That's actually cool. And the rest look heather gray from the front. It's different. Look at that. Two sides. What does it say? From 2016, this figure was out, made from Japan. Oh damn! That's how. So this figure's 2 years old now, but I still dig it. All right, now I'm gonna put on the plate down there and put Luffy right on here. There we go. And there you guys have it. There's Luffy with his fist going up like he's freaking fucking drunk. And not just that, I forgot to go almost zoom in right here. You can see how well they made on Luffy's fist. See that? Pretty much that's how Luffy will look with the fist. You could pretty much, what's cool about it, you go to take off the hair from the front. You see that? Pop out the hair. Then Luffy, too much stress, you're going bald. And you go to take off the face. You see that? See better detail with the face. You see more. It's probably plain. His face is plain, and nothing from the inside. Then you replace it with his other face. That one is mostly serious. You can see how angry he looks. Just pretty much just put it on and put back his hair on. And now he have a fist when you piss him off. Fist and his face. Oh man, that's nice. Awesome. And I replaced his fifth arm with his straw hat arm. There you go. Now he's like ready to fulfill his promise to Red Hair Shanks to become the pirate king of the pirates. Cool. Alright you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like. And you want to see more videos just like this one, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every video I upload. If you really want to get this figure, go hit Nakamatoys.com. I'll leave the restriction down below, even their address, so let me know. And don't forget to comment down below what you think of this video. You want to talk about One Piece, I'll be right there. Hit me up and later on.